Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you my new project in Car Crash Studio. It's a work in progress. I will post new updates every month until it's done. This is the project looks for now. But you're going to say, Happy Gaming, why are a bunch of police cars are here? The reason is it's part of the project. The white car did something to get the police chasing him. Now it's time to look how the project is. Right now it's time to choose the first camera and press the play button. That's it for the first camera of many to come in this project. It's time to choose the final camera for now in this project and time to hit the play button. That's it, the final camera in this project so far. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe if you want to, and see you in the next video.